appreciate y'all checking in with another video. Y'all can see I'm not in my normal environment of the garage at the shop, but just got over here to Showtime transmission rebuild. So y'all know what that means. That's a good thing. That means the transmission is ready. We about to get back to film Camaro content. About to get the car back rolling, all that good stuff. Then we're gonna get the LEASH boost control on. Then we're gonna get the motion RACEWORKS CO2 kit. Then we're going to the track. I'm gonna show y'all all this stuff in action. On the hard tire one more time, cause I'm gonna show y'all the difference when you can set a ramp and work a boost controller. Well, you got a controller you could actually adjust, and then show y'all how that CO2 kit works. Then we're gonna put the radials on it, and then we're gonna crank it up a little bit when we go into the dyno. Get some numbers on pump gas, all that good stuff. Like I said, I'm right here with DJ, so I'm finna flip the camera around. He gonna tell y'all what went wrong with the transmission and all that, what the problem was, and you know, everything else. I'm gonna let him get into that cause he the mastermind with that. So let's go get into the video, and appreciate y'all watching. So let's get it. Alright, we here with DJ, man. So look, DJ, look, tell these people what happened with the transmission and all that stuff, man. I want them to hear it from you, cause you the mastermind, the expert behind these transmissions.
I ain't no expert, Jay, but I know my stuff. I know a little bit of my stuff, man. What happened? It's a normal deal with these 400 cases. It was a problem with the GM unit. So what happened, the actual case lug blew out on your intermediates, and when that happens, you lose second gear, and you lose a lot more of the function. You really don't even have a fourth gear or third gear, but it actually blew the case lugs out. So we had to take it and put a whole nother case, take everything out and put it in another case. But I had to end up installing some upgrades to it, you know, a new drum, a new set of clutches, seals, bushings, bearings, and stuff like that, just to make it stand up to the trans brake. What took so long, I had trouble trying to find a case saver like I wanted to use for the transmission. So as I sent you the pictures, I ended up having to make one from scratch. It took a couple hours to do it, but hey, we got it done. I say I have it ready for you so you can get it going. So that's pretty much what happened. So hey, if anybody need me, man, 350s, 400s, 4L6s, 70s, 6L80s and stuff like that, give me a shout. 706-817-5457. I'm at a new location. I disclose the location when J Malcolm ready for it. I let him put it on the screen or whatever, and I moved a little bit closer to a lot of where my customers at, man, just to help them out, save them on the drive. So also I made the move for the family also. But like I said, we're a little bit closer to help out the racing community. I'm still here whenever anybody needs me.
Right, y'all. So look, he's still close by. He's still located in Georgia, of course. And the number is at the bottom of the screen, but y'all know his stuff always in the description of every video. And we always, this is what I use for all transmission builds and stuff. You're gonna do big meat transmission and builds in the future. DJ, look, I told him I'm gonna do a big rim car too. So look, we gonna do some stuff with the big rim thing too. Showtime transmission rebuild and stuff. So y'all make sure to give him a call. I know a lot of y'all call him already and stuff. He do awesome work and everything, and like I said, you ship too, right?
Yeah,
you gotta let them know.
Definitely ship, man. Nationwide, nationwide we ship. I try to get everybody done and out within a reasonable time, but I still work a full-time job too. So I had to battle that too also. But we make sure we get everything out, get it shipped straight to your front door, so you ain't gotta worry about saying, hey, I gotta drive such and such amount of hours just to get to you. Hey, I put it at your front door.
He definitely will, y'all. He done shipped it before, so that's it. I want y'all to hear from DJ. I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna talk to y'all and show y'all transmission and all that stuff, and then we're gonna close the video out. Alright, y'all, so see, made it back to the house. Here it is. Yes, indeed. Transmission back. TH400. For the people that didn't know already. Reverse manual valve body. I know me and DJ forgot to throw that in there. But yeah, man, DJ got it hooked up. Showtime transmission rebuild. Now, I know this thing official for real. I know it's official cause the man with the plan done put his hands on it. Like I said, he done hooked it up. Got all the goodies in there. We got the tram brake right there. That's a tram brake. You know, sneaky little tram brake. And PTC converter right here. DJ, he cleaned all that out for me and all that good stuff. So we got the PTC converter. Then we got the 400. And it's game time. Finna get to it. So as y'all can see, we got the transmission back. Showtime transmission rebuilds, number below. Number always in the description. Got me right. Got it hooked up. And it's finna be showtime. That's all I can say. That's all I was waiting on. Finna be showtime, man. I'm hyped. DJ done made my day. DJ, you see this video, I don't know whether you know it, brother. You made my day. But man, yeah, man, we finna get this thing back in the Camaro. Camaro will be running next week. The Camaro will be running next week. Just straight up. I'm finna give Rick that call. Rick, if you see this, I'm about to call you, brother. Finna get Rick that call. We're gonna get this thing back in. Then hey, it's gonna be showtime, man. I'm telling you, it's about to be real deal showtime. Then we're gonna get the boost controller hooked up, and we're gonna get the CO2 hooked up on the car, and then we're gonna go fast. Thanks to Motion RACEWORKS, LEASH Electronics, and big thanks to Showtime Transmission Rebuilds. It's finna go down. That's all I can say. It's gonna be showtime. Oh yeah, and I never told y'all what the name of the Camaro is. I did come up with a name, and the name of the car is Unexpected. That's the name of it. It fits perfect. I put a lot of thought in it. I was like, man, this is it. This is the name, Unexpected. That's the name of the Camaro. So you got Cheapskate, we got Big Meats, and then we got Unexpected. And I think the name fits perfect because the way it's set up, you wouldn't think it does what it does. And even I haven't shown too much of nothing either, so the car is a lot faster than what people think. It got a lot more power than what people think too, so it just fits perfect. But if you open it, you know, you look in the inside and all that, it look kind of plain Jane. All it got is that one little pipe hanging out the side. That's it. But like a lot of people didn't even know it was a 400 in that thing, man. So, and the trans brake and all that stuff. So Unexpected is the name, man. Perfect name. So yeah, the next video gonna be an action video. I guarantee you that. It's gonna be a install. Y'all gonna see the transmission getting installed. Then y'all gonna see some, I don't know. Y'all gonna see a show. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, and I'm gonna have to put Rick in the car too. I told Rick I want him to drive a turbo car, so we're gonna do that. Rick first time driving a turbo car. It's gonna be some more stuff coming. I got some good content. I know I'm talking fast cause I'm hype. I'm telling y'all, DJ has made my day, man. Showtime transmission rebuild. But yeah, it's back, going down. Y'all like the video. What else? Share the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all the good stuff. Man, it's game time. Camaro back. And let's get it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm out.